So today I decided I wanted to round up all my clamps. My wife uses my clamps. I use clamps. So I went around the garage looking for clamps. Usually I'd find one was missing if I remembered buying a set or something. So over here's a bunch of my C clamps. Still have to find that one little Bessie. Some spring clamps that we bought as a little kit from Wally World. Coming over here, some old wood screw clamps. Some old wood screw clamps. Some Harbor Freight bar clamps. A mixture of Bessie and maybe probably some knockoffs. Bar clamps. Some Irwin quick grips. And some other quick grips. I think that was part of a package deal from Wally World or something like that. So